Hi friends, in this video we see Z parameter related problems. The question asked here is find the Z parameter of the circuit. So they are given the circuit and we have to find the Z parameter. Okay, let us see how we are going to solve the problem. So whenever they ask questions like this, first we find what we are going to find is Z11 and Z21. Why? Because we know Z11 is V1 by I1 with I2 is equal to 0. Similarly, Z21 is V2 by I1, I2 0. For both the calculation, I2 must be 0. That is, output must be open circuit. So, I2 is nothing but output current. Output current 0 means output must be open circuit. Input V1 is there, so we give some voltage V1. Right? So, the circuit will be like this. This is 12 ohm, this is 4 ohm. Here we have 3 ohm. Output will be opened. So I2 0, this is V2. Okay. So first we find these two parameters. Now we apply KVL, this is V1, right? So when you apply KVL, it is 16 I1 is equal to V1. This is V1. Here current is 0, open circuit. So 16 I1 is equal to V1. So V1 by I1 is equal to 16, right? So the answer is 16. Okay. So V1 I1 16. First we found. What is V1 by I1? Which is nothing but Z11. So we found Z11 is equal to 16. Okay. So we applied KVL in this mesh, KVL in left mesh. Now apply KVL in right mesh, KVL in right mesh. What we get? This plus minus. Okay. So it will be, what is that? The current through this terminal I2 is 0. This is I2. So we know I2 0. Here from you go like this, right? I2 0. This is I1. Always I1 will be in this direction. I2 will be in this direction. So 3 into I2 0. Here I1 will come. I2 0. So plus 4 I1 minus V2 is equal to 0. This implies V2 is equal to 4 I1. V2 by I1 is equal to 6. V2 by I1 is nothing but Z21. So Z21. So we got Z11 and Z21. Right? Okay, next to find Z12 and Z22. Next we find this one. What is Z12? V1 by I2, right? With I1 0. Z22 V2 by I2 with I1 0. So for both these parameter, input current is 0. That is, input is open circuit. So the circuit will be like this. Fine. So it is, now we have output sum. Output I2. Input is open V1. I1 is 0. This is 12. This is 3. This is 4 ohm. 12 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohm. Okay. As usual we do. KVL to the left. KVL to the left if you apply. This is 0. Here I2 will come. So 4 I2. Right? And next this is plus minus. So minus V1 is equal to 0. 4 I2 is equal to V1. V1 by I2. V1 by I2 is equal to 6 ohm. V1 by I2 is nothing but Z12. Z12 is 6 ohm. Right? Next KVL to the right mesh. Here, so 3I2. Here, plus 4 I1 plus I2. right? Okay, is equal to minus V2 is equal to 0. This is minus terminal meeting. So 3 plus 4, 7 I2 plus 4 I1, 0. I1 is 0, so is equal to V2, right? I1 is 0, we know, because I1 is 0. This implies V2 by I2 is equal to 7. V2 by I2 is nothing but Z22. So we got all the values. Z11, Z12, Z22. Fine. So this is Z12, Z12, Z21. Okay. We write a matrix here. What is the matrix? Z12 is 6 ohm, right? Z21 6 ohm, Z22 7 ohm, Z11 16 ohm. Fine. So this is what our Z matrix, right? For this problem, you see 16 6 6 7. So what is the matrix? 16 6 6 7, right? So we have one shortcut. The answer should be, if you have a T network, you see Z1 is nothing but sum of these two, 12 plus 6. Z12 is common terminal, this 6 4 ohm. Okay, sorry, here we got 4 ohm, right? Z12. Sorry, V2 by I1 is 4, not 6, it is 4. Please change it. V2 by I1 is 4. Similarly, here what we got, Z21. Here also V2 by I1 is 4 only, not 6. V2 by I1 is 4. 4 ohm, 4 ohm, 4 ohm. Right? So change this. It is 4, 4. Right? So V2 by I1 is 4, 4. Yeah, Z12 is common 4, Z21 is 4, Z22 is sum of these two, right? 7. So in this way we can solve this problem in the shortest way, right? So if you want to check the answer, just find it. Okay. Next one, what are the things? Find Z matrix. So this one I will solve in this short format. So this is a pi network, right? Since it is a pi network, I convert into T network, right? If I know T network, I can find the answer very quickly. How can we convert this delta? I convert into star. So what I have to do, this to multiply. So multiply these two terminal. So left hand side, the equivalent of T network is multiplication of these two divided by sum of all the three resistors. So it is 1 into 3 divided by 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 6 10. So 3 by 10, it is nothing but 0.3. So here 0.3 ohm. Here 3 into 6 divided by sum of all resistors 10. This is 1.8. This is 1.8 ohm. Here these two, 1 into 6, 1 and 6 divided by total resistance 10, that is 0.6. Now we got a T network. Now how can we find Z parameter? Z parameter is nothing but Z11 is sum of these two. So 0.3 plus 0.6, 0.9. Z12 is this parameter, 0.6. Z21 is again 0.6, same parameter. Z22 is sum of these two, 2.4. This is Z matrix, simple, right? So if you want to find the answer, you follow the same procedure like I did. So it is a tedious way. You can find the shortest way by this method. Okay. So I hope you understand both the problems. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. I will clarify. Thank you.